Hey you guys, Amber J here from Best Bets Trades. Just going to go over a recap on how we made out today in our Discord, and boy did we make bank again today. So I'm going to go over some of the callouts that were given to us prior to market open. As you can see, today's date of 9:02 a.m. and for a callout for Meta at 9:10 a.m. So these are given to us prior to market open. So on Tesla, the calls were triggered first thing this morning with 286.55. It hit the first price target of 287.35, and then it hit 288.34, the pre-gap level, and then it was struggling to break up out over that area, and then the puts were triggered at 281.34. The first price target of 280.48 hit, the second price target of 279.12 hit, and the third price target of 277.82 hit. So those are was a really good play on Tesla. You could have played it both ways, and I'm going to show you how it was played in our Discord. Another great call out by Gundy was for Meta, and that was given to us prior to market open. The puts were triggered at 137.62. The first price target of 136.83 hit. The second price target of 135.94 hit. And the third price target was only off by 4 cents. So really great, amazing call outs by Gundy given to us prior to market open. So I'm going to show you guys how we would have played it in our Discord. Full disclosure, I did not play Tesla. I play normally AMD, but I'm going to show you how you could have played Tesla today. So right out of the gate above previous day high, you could have gotten into calls on Tesla, and it did get up all the way to here at this resistance level at 288.25. So you could have gotten in right at market open and have been out within a couple of candles. It did come back down and test the 21, and then it couldn't get past this resistance level of 288.63, and then I think it got to 288.67 was the high of day that it got to, and then it was just struggling. It couldn't get past that resistance level, and then once we got the sell and the cross, the EMA started curling down, and it just started dumping here. But I would have waited to get in at previous day high because that's a very strong support or resistance level, but it did crack right through it, so that would have been a good place to enter into puts, and it did drop, and it broke right through that 200, and it found support right here 277.59. So you could have played Tesla both ways today if you're prepared, and we were prepared to play both puts and calls on this one. So I'm going to go over Meta as well. So the puts were triggered on Meta, but when you can see here, so first thing at market open, we did get the buy. It got up to the 200, and that right there was the 200 EMA is very strong support or resistance, and in this case it was very strong resistance. As you can see, it just kept getting rejected, and then it pushed itself down. We got the sell signal and the cross of the EMAs. You could have played it down to here, which would have been a really good move from the sell, which would have been 138.37, and you could have played it down to 136.80. So that was a huge move there. It did end up recovering a little bit, but again, it still couldn't get past that 200. Once we got the cross down of the EMAs and the sell signal, you knew it was safe to get in because it was below the 9. It tends to consolidate closer to the 9, and then once it gets close to the 9 pushes it down, just because of if it's a strong breakdown, it will consolidate over to the 9 and then push it down, and that's exactly what happened. So you could have wrote puts from here, which is 137.24, and you could have wrote it down to this previous day low, which would have been a little bit of support, but it was rejecting off of that, so you could have held onto it because it kept rejecting off previous day low, and then finally it broke down. It just consolidated over to that 9 again and then pushed down again. So that was a really good play and call out by Gundy. If you had stuck it out to the full bottom, you were only 4 cents away from his third price target. So that was a really good call out and play by Gundy. If you guys are interested in our Discord, we do just click on the link below. We do offer a 7-day free trial. It is $50 a month with a 7-day free trial to see if we're a good fit for each other. You get access to all of the callouts, live voice channel with very experienced traders in there. If you're new, don't worry about it. There's lots of things on our Discord that you can look at. We have our video lessons library here where you can learn how to navigate our Discord, how to navigate the Discord, how to set up the indicators step by step, how to identify A1 setups to scalp, and you can watch those. There's some videos in the strategy section as well that you can watch, and when you're ready, Gundy will do a one-on-one with you and see how you make out. We do live trading every single day in our voice channel, so if you're interested in that, that's where you learn the most. Honestly, that's where I learned the most of how I know how to trade so well, is because I was listening to everybody in our Discord. Brilliant minds in there. So I'm telling you, it's worth every penny of this Discord. We do have a couple of lifetime memberships available as well. So if you're interested in that, it's a one-time fee. There is 20% off until the end of the month. So if you're interested in lifetime, now's your chance to get in at a discounted price. And that one also does come with a 7-day free trial. So also as well, we are doing a $200 giveaway, either $200 worth of Bitcoin or $200 worth of gift cards, your choice. All you have to do is like, subscribe, comment, and share our YouTube video, as well as follow our Twitter page, and you'll be eligible to enter the draw for October the 1st. I hope you guys had a great day. I know we did in our Discord, and we look forward to trading with you guys again tomorrow. Have a good day, guys. Bye.